Have you ever wondered if investing in crypto is safe? Especially for seniors or those who are thinking about their retirement. In this video, I'm going to show you in easy-to-understand steps that getting into crypto is not much different than investing into traditional stocks. Whether you invest into the crypto directly or purchase from your broker a crypto ETF, it's practically the same as investing into stocks. I list research sites, the crypto exchanges I use, and the cold storage equipment for your offline crypto. Watch to the end and you'll learn my research sites and my crypto industry news and pricing information. This is worth your time, I promise. I'm going to cover different topics, so remember, you can check the notes section and find the timestamps so you can jump ahead to a topic that you're interested in. Now, you might have heard of Bitcoin. It's been on the news daily. But you may not know the Bitcoin technology allows for secure online payments, minus the need for third-party intermediaries such as banks and so much more. The total market capitalization of crypto has grown significantly over the years. Why is this good? More capitalization means adoption and growth. The more money in capitalization means it is now mainstream, a household name. So, this brings us back to the question, is it safe for seniors to invest in crypto? My personal feelings as a senior myself is yes, in my experience. Like any investment, it comes with its own risks and rewards. One of the key attractions of crypto as an investment is the potential for high returns. Often, these returns can be from normal retirement accounts of 10 to 12% a year you would expect, to a realistic level for crypto around 3 to 5 or more times your investment if you catch the time to sell around a bull run. Many investors have been drawn to the world of digital currencies by tales of overnight millionaires. For instance, at this moment while writing the script, Bitcoin is around $105,000. However, it's essential to remember that investing in crypto is not a guaranteed path to wealth. Sure, crazy old Uncle Fred is doing well with his stash of Shiba crypto tokens. It is no different than speculative stocks. Here is a list of some of the new crypto-related companies. I usually put $100 to $300 in early and see if it pays off. Now, I know the risk level is a 10 out of 10, but if it does well, I can turn that $300 into up to $1,500 or more. Being this is for education, I want to be sure you understand that nothing contained in this video is considered investment advice. Like I've said often, this is about my journey into the world of crypto. I'm not trying to get you to buy or invest into anything, I'm simply giving you the knowledge. You will be better educated and able to talk with your friends or children about crypto. This single point is the reason for my channel, education. Knowledge is power, and as a senior, it's important for us to always continue to learn new things. Now, full disclosure. In reality, I've lost hundreds of dollars on some cryptos. However, I've made thousands from others. I'm up, and frankly, not to toot my own horn, but I'm up a lot. Now, if you are in the investment game, you know you'll have losses. But smart investing and research into solid companies, projects, and devs that come from other projects is usually, and I stress, a winning strategy. No matter if you have $1,000 or $100,000 to invest, the time is right now to start developing those relationships with your financial planner and attorney. Now, with 2 terrorist attacks here on the US soil, Bitcoin has dropped today to $93,000 because of the negative news. The stock market's also down. I've already purchased more Bitcoin. Pro tip: if you don't know the names of your financial planner's children and they know yours after 1 year, he or she is not right for you. You need to have that type of relationship where they know you, your situation, and your hopes and dreams so they can make a plan for you to follow. Now let's talk about how you start in the world of crypto. Each crypto serves various purposes, so it's crucial to research and understand their white paper and the specifics of each one. Start with websites like Investopedia, CoinDesk, or even YouTube channels dedicated to crypto like mine. Crypto for seniors can be great resources. Next, you'll need a digital wallet to store your crypto. These Tangam wallets are my favorite. Ledger and Trezor make up the top 3 I have and use. I got one of each to evaluate the pros and cons. These 3 wallets can be found in an affiliate link in the notes section of this video. You need to consider your wallet with the same importance as your personal bank account, but for digital currency. Remember the old saying, if you fail to plan, well then you plan to fail. No matter if you have $1,000 or maybe you have $100,000, you need a plan today. A certified financial planner and I suggest an attorney to do your will, and maybe you need to set up a trust. Both relationships need to be strong where you can call with questions anytime. Next, you'll need a digital wallet to store your crypto. You'll need to consider your wallet with the same importance as your personal bank account, but for digital currency. Now you're ready to buy your first cryptocurrency. But where do you go to invest in this crypto? Things called crypto exchanges come into play. These are platforms where you can buy, sell, or hold your crypto. I have other videos about the importance of taking your crypto off of the exchange and moving it to a cold storage like the 3 wallets I spoke about earlier. In reality, they all seem the same, but take it from me. You only want to use a named crypto exchange that offers you your style of investing and security. Some popular exchanges, and the ones I use, include Binance US, Coinbase, and Kraken. Some of them I have the Pro plan and others the standard free plan. You only need to start and probably remain with the free plan until you start to be able to read a chart. However, just like with wallets, it's important to research and choose the exchange that best suits your needs. Once you've set up your account on the exchange, you can start buying and selling immediately. You're investing in the company or project just like you would for stocks. Do your research, know what you are buying. Again, please get the help of a financial planner and attorney for setting up wills or potential trusts to better your tax situation. There are plenty more resources available to help seniors and those new to crypto. Let's start with CoinMarketCap, a comprehensive platform that provides real-time data on crypto. It's an excellent place to track the market performance of various digital currencies. It's like the Wall Street Journal, but for crypto. Next, we have a site called Crypto Bubbles. It's a unique and visual way to monitor the crypto market. Every morning since I got into crypto, I have been logging into Crypto Bubbles and the other sites to better understand market trends and crypto volatility at a glance. It's an engaging tool that puts fun into the serious business of crypto. For those who prefer their news delivered in a more traditional format, you have to check out CNBC Crypto Watch. It's a reliable source providing the latest news and insights. Another daily check is CoinDesk. This is another noteworthy platform that offers a wealth of information on crypto. It provides news, research, and educational content for both beginner and experienced investors. It's like a comprehensive guidebook for your crypto journey. Investopedia, a well-known online encyclopedia of financial information, also has an extensive section dedicated to crypto. It's a fantastic place to learn about the basics of crypto. Here is one place to invest some time and effort into this site. The articles break down topics in a logical manner and make it easy to understand complicated systems or concepts. And in addition to these platforms, YouTube channels just like mine and Facebook groups are dedicated to specific tokens. All of these sources are a goldmine of information you should be using to learn more about crypto past our channel. These communities offer a chance to interact with other investors, to share insights, and get advice from experienced crypto enthusiasts. However, always cross-check the information you receive from these platforms for accuracy. Please remember, this information is not financial advice. It is provided for education only. Always conduct your own research and consult a professional if needed. A diversified portfolio can help mitigate risks. Spread your investments across different tokens and consider other asset classes too, like stocks, gold, or silver. Lastly, remember that it's okay to ask for help. There are many resources available, from online guides to professional financial advisors who can assist you in navigating the crypto landscape. I'm setting up a place on my website where if you have questions, you can schedule a one-on-one time with me, and we can ask your questions and get straight answers. Remember, I will never offer anything like financial advice during these one-on-ones. You will be able in February to schedule time on my website located at cryptoforseniors.org. Now, I have an ask from you. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. If you have any basic questions, please use the comment section. I will respond to every comment. I really appreciate your support to the channel and helping me grow it to an important resource for my community. Please become a member. I hope you do. You may find this video interesting, so feel free to click on it to learn more information. Remember to check my website for the offering of one-to-one assistance, along with, if you want to pick up one of the cold storage hardware, simple see the notes section to the affiliate link with Amazon. Thanks, and I will see you soon with another informative video.